Yo, what is good, ladies and gentlemen? It is your favorite guy, Mr.BrownGuy, and we are back with just another episode on our full body training. Now, when we should hit our hamstrings, meaning the backside of your legs, there are different kinds of exercises you can do. And of course, you can do a machine variation if that's what you want. But my favorite exercise when it comes to loading up on your hamstrings, especially if you don't have a lot of time, but you need to be effective. This machine, this exercise, this setup is the way you should do it. So this stand right here is called a Smith machine, and we are about to do a Romanian deadlift. And I'll show you how you do it. So let's stand up right here. Let's focus. Let's imagine we are grabbing our barbells right here. What you want to do is push your hips backwards. When you go up, you push forward. When you go down, backwards. And when you go up, forwards. So back when you go down, just like that. Back when you go down, forward when you go up. And that's the same imagination you need to apply to this right here, this setup. So we have a barbell. When we go up, we'll push our hips forward and push our hips backwards when we're going down. In this setup, especially, we'll do something called a dead drop. So when you do one repetition, you need to rest it in the bottom right here. It feels odd, but it's hella good. Yeah, it's one of the best exercises I know till this day when I have no fucking time and I need to do my legs. All right, so let's go here. Do again 8 to 12 repetitions. So let's focus on 10 repetitions. When we go down, we go 2 to 3 seconds down. We'll let it rest, and then we go up again. So up, down, rest. Grab it again. Up, down, let it rest. Up, down, let it rest. By doing this, you'll put a massive amount of weight on your hamstrings. And something you'll feel by doing this is when you're in this position right here, you're actually stretching your hamstrings while you have some load on it. That over time, again, as you know from previously, will break down some muscle. And if you remember to eat your damn macros, so that meaning your proteins, your fats, and your carbs, of course, sleep as well, you will recover. Once you're recovered, you'll be strong as fuck, and you'll be ready to go again. So, let's do one more. But on this last piece, we'll do 10 seconds down, all right? So you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Woo. That made me feel like a grandpa because it just hit me. All right, so please try this variation. Of course, we can do some other variations as well next time, but try it out. Let me know in the comment section. let me know by liking it. And of course, if you are sweet love, please subscribe as well. I'll see you soon. Oh.